Well, g'day everybody and welcome back. Windy old day. March 2017 I did a video on when I painted this block, this barrel, and polished the fins. And there's been a number of people that have commented on that video asking how the paint's held up. So here we are, December 2018. So we're, what's that, 21 months after it was painted. We'll have a bit of a closer look at it and see just how well it has stood up. Okay, so just on the surface, you know, it looks pretty good. This bike is unwashed. I haven't gone through and cleaned anything up at all. It's just how it's sitting. Washed it more than a week ago now. Been riding it to work, yada yada yada, normal use. So you can see that it has held up really well around the barrels, particularly. A little bit of chipping down here that would have been from when I was fitting it. I imagine, I can't remember what I did there, but the sill on the head the same. Now if we walk around the bike to the other side, you can see there's some chips in the paintwork on the head, and the head's a little dull over this side. Probably just been exposed to a bit more road grime, I guess. But on a whole, pretty good. So I didn't use anything special in my application of this paint. I'm not a painter. In fact, I bloody suck at it, to be honest. So if I can get this kind of result, there's no reason why you shouldn't. I have heard that you can spray a clear coat over the top. That means you won't have to come back and polish or touch up, etc. But you know, you'd want to be a high temperature heat coat, clear coat, and I don't know how good those things are. For me, you know, I just wash it and ride it. I don't do anything special. There's a reason that there's a lot of black on this bike and colour. I hate polishing, so I'd rather, you know, not be wasting my time sitting there polishing. If that's something that you find therapeutic, well, you know, go for it. But for me, I'd rather just be able to get on the bike and ride. And it has held up. So that should answer any questions, I guess. If you haven't seen the original video, I'll pop a link up in the corner. You can go and have a look. But until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.